Welcome to my video on matrix addition and subtraction with the software Desmos. Before I get into actually doing the example on the website desmos.com, what I want to do is run through just the basic definitions of addition and subtraction of a matrix. So we're talking addition here. It's a sum of two matrices, so A, matrix B, and we're going to show you those in just a second. And they're the same size, it's written A plus B, meaning the same size. They've got, if it's a 2 by 2 or a 3 by 3 or a 3 by 2 or a 1 by 4, they both have to be the same dimension of the matrix. And all you do in addition is you just add A and B together. So each of these elements, A sub jk and B sub jk, just get added together individually, and that becomes your new matrix of the same size. Subtraction, very similar. So A minus B is the same as A plus minus B, where B is multiplied by the scalar minus 1. So really you just take the difference now of the individual elements to give us the subtraction. So let's look at our two matrices. A is going to be equal to 2, 4, 5, 1, and B is equal to 1, 9, 4, 2. So these are both 2 by 2 matrices. So that's what we need. They both have to be the same size. Now those could be functions in there, positive, negative numbers, fractions, very little limitations of what can be in there. We're going to do addition and subtraction. So now I'm going to go into Desmos. Okay, this is the desmos.com website, and then I'm going to go into their matrix calculator. First thing I want to do is define a new matrix. Okay, and it pops up a 2 by 2, but if you go down here, you can actually change it in the edit matrix A. You can change the number of rows and columns. It just pops up. That's the default. So the first element is 2. The second element on the top row is 5. Now I'm going down the bottom row. That's going to be 4, and that's going to be a 1. So that's our first matrix. I hit return, so it locks it in there. So there's A is equal to 2, 5, 4, 1. Now let's define a new matrix B, and that's going to be equal to 1, 4, oops, I've got a decimal point there, 9, 2. Okay, so there's our two matrices. That's B is 1, 4, 9, 2, just like we wanted. So now all we have to do to add these together is to do A plus B, enter, and that is 3, 9, 13, 3. So just looking at the first two elements, 2 plus 1, these are in the upper left-hand corner. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, which is in the upper left-hand corner. So that works. Now let's take A minus B, enter, and then that is going to be 1, 1 in the top row, minus 5, minus 2 in the bottom row. So that's just the difference. Very powerful software. Well, I hope you got something out of this video. If you did, like and subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you for watching.